back up against the wall. $5 in my checking account. Will I ever amount to more than some hack with a script trying to crack the ice with a toothpick? My neighbor Bob asked me every day if I found a job, a real job, the kind of job that robs you of your life till the day you die in the light of your plasma TV. Oh Bob, you can blow me. I don't want to start any blasphemous rumors, but I think I've lost my sense of humor. I have to get away to my favorite place where no one knows my name or gets up in my face. You can bring a rose, I'll fire up my hearse. We're gonna go where beggars and losers really do inherit the earth. 'Cause